Hello friends, here on this video how you can format honor phone on your honor phone only on your device. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, if you want to format your honor phone, you have to move on setting. After you move on setting, from here you can search on the search setting also, example like format, or you can just scroll on the down. Then here you're going to find many options, but you have to tap on this system and updates. Okay, when you tap on system and update, from here you are going to find this icon reset. So friends, if you want to format your mobile phone, you can say factory reset or format. Just tap on this reset. After you tap on reset, from here you have to click on reset phone. Then after that, from here you have to verify, you have to delete your account first of all. After deleting your account only, you will be able to format your mobile phone. And in if you want to update your photos, videos or documents, you can update, you can backup, okay, through this option only, backup and restore. But after backup only, you can delete account, and you should not forget the Gmail ID and the password. Okay, if you forgot, means you would not get your backup photos, videos, even the document also. Okay, so friends, this is how to format phone honor phone on your mobile phone. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, if you love the video, thanks for watching, and please just like the video.